For me, Tina Turner kind of embodies a lot of ideas that are really important to me that I think about a lot in my own practice. One of the main ones being this idea of refusal. I worked in collaboration with a lighting designer, Josephine Wang, on programming the sculpture that responds to Tina Turner's 1984 album, Private Dancer. So the lights are moving along to the music of the album, but there's no sound in the work itself. I always feel like my responsibility to the viewer is to kind of provide a framework for questioning their experiences in different ways. Removing the voice and the sound was this question of what happens to a space of performance in the absence of a body or in the absence of any sense of a figure.